but you need to be careful here. So this. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amali. Thank you so much for coming. So subscribe to 2,000 subscribers. So guys, I'm coming up. You can see I have my baby here. Say hi.
Hi.
So guys, you know what, today I'm so excited because I want to prepare for my baby. My village kids food. So this is ugali and omena guys. So if it's your first time to come across my video, please subscribe because a lot more is coming. And so come with me, let's go. Now we want to cook. So guys, the good thing, my babies can see they're helping me. So that I can use it to cook. And my girl here helped me to cut onion and tomatoes. And my little baby is bringing to me. So guys, this is our lunch. We have eaten nothing. So now I'm preparing the lunch. Check if this omena has that, so yeah, so that I can remove. So guys, the good thing of having kids in the village, when you want to do something you can't do alone, they are really helping you. So yeah. Guys, so now I want to cook omena. So if you want to cook ugali in the village, you need to cook your vegetable. If it's vegetable, you need to cook it first. Yeah. So I have my liquid cooking oil here. This is my don't watch. They don't watch. So for me, I'm not going to watch. Rather could you may happen. So the first thing I'm going to do is put here oil. Comment section, just tell me how do you cook your omena, guys, and you can tell me if the different procedure that I can use to cook omena so that I can try. Not yet ready. I'm going to add here omena. You need to be so careful. Then you need to wait until it starts turning brown. Wait. As you can see, it's turning brown now. Then you're going. So you need to be so careful. Put there your tomatoes and onion. They are mixed together. So I'm going to just add. Wow, so guys, you can see there is cheesy. Then I'm going to add just little salt. I think this one is enough. And this. So guys, I'm going to add little soup because of the just little, guys. I think this one is better. So I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes, then we'll check. When you were little, my mom used to send us to go and collect firewood. We used to play it like we play. The problem is when we come home late, My grandma used to beat us, guys. Yeah.
Right.
So guys, now 15 minutes, 5 minutes is over. So we need to check. We need to be so. Wow, guys, come to our name. So look at this is our omena now. Wow. So today, guys, we are going to eat ugali, a lot of ugali. So let me remove it. Then you're going to put here water for ugali now. But you need to be so careful. So I'm going to put it here. Then I'll guys, you can see this the struggle of what that we are facing here in the village. When you cook with the firewood, there's a lot of smoke, guys. What? So guys, we're going to eat until this water gets bubbled. Then we'll show you how we're going to cook our ugali. Our ugali is ready. You want to go and eat. So it's simple. You can decide. So this one. So I'm putting it here so that it can't get cold. now we want to eat our lunch. So guys, now our ugali is ready. So now we want to enjoy. So guys, so let's enjoy our food now. So guys, this food is so delicious. If you like this video, let me know, drop a comment down there. Don't forget to watch my video till the end. It's Wagalama. Let's say bye bye. Bye bye.